Alright, what we have here is another simulation, and this is just a basis to give you an idea of how the molecules form for a solid, a liquid, and a gas, and what they're like. And this is a solid. Notice how they're very tightly close together, they're all moving, it's holding its own shape. A fun thing you can do with this is you can turn up the heat on them, and notice how they're starting to loosen up and break off. Okay. And now what do we notice about them now? What did we just do? We changed a solid to a liquid and then a gas. But how do we know it's a liquid? What are the molecules of a liquid like? Well, let's find out. These are the molecules of a liquid. As you see, I clicked on the liquid over here. They are not holding their own shape. They're very, very loose. They're not completely spread out and all over the place like a gas would be. So let's cool them down with some ice. And if you notice, what we're doing is changing a liquid into a solid again, similar to freezing water. Notice how, like a solid, the molecules now are very close together, holding their own shape, and then we heat them up, and they'll go back to a liquid. That one on the right is already a gas, and then they will move to a gas state. And now let's take a look at the gas molecules. It's a gas. Now as we add the ice, see how they're getting slower, 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 and we heat them up. So that just kind of gives you an overview of what the molecules are like and how they react to heat and cooling down.